Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and every good morning. Hello everyone. My name is Sirajuddin bin Samsudin. My metric number is J46548. Today I'm going to share my organizational behavior journey. In this presentation, I will reflect on my real teamwork experience, which is as an enforcement officer, and explain how three OV concept, which is personality, motivation, and communication, help me understand what happened and what I learned from it. So let's go to slide number 2. Okay, this is overview. We got introduction, situation, and then we have concepts one, concepts two, concept three, and self-reflection and strategies. And then the last one is conclusion. Okay, for the next is okay for the introduction. For this reflection, I choose an experience from a group assignment where I work with four other teammates. It was challenging but meaningful experience because it taught me a lot about working with people who have different personalities and working style. And the purpose of this presentation is to analyze the situation using OB concepts and show how organizational behavior help us become better team members and leaders. The experience took place during our project. We were required to work in groups to produce presentation and reports. We got 2 weeks to complete the task, which is we have poor communication and lack of cooperation. So I would like to explain about the OB concept one, which is personality. The first OB concept relevant to this experience is personality. In our group, each member had different personality types. For example, one was very outgoing and often took charge, while another was more introverted and preferred to work quietly on work tasks. I can take the lead, but I also value structure and planning. These differences affected how we interacted. The extroverted members sometimes dominated discussion, which unintentional discourage quieter members from sharing ideas. This created in this created this created an imbalance in contribution. By understanding personality have personality trait such as a big five, extroversion, openness, conscientiousness. We could have managed the group dynamic better. I realized that personality play a major role in teammates, and recognizing these differences early can help create a more balanced and exclusive working environment. Okay, for the second one is concept two, motivation. As the project continue, I noticed that motivation levels were not consistent among team members. Some were very driven and wanted to achieve to achieve high mark while others were less engaged. This difference lead to unequal workload distribution. I apply concept from motivation theory such as Maslow hierarchy of needs and the expectancy theory. For example, according to expectancy theory, people are motivated when they believe their efforts will lead the good performance and meaningful rewards. In our case, some teammates did not clearly see the link between their effort and the project outcome. So their motivation is decreased. This made me realize the importance of setting clear goal, clarify, clarifying expectation, and ensuring that everyone's understand this role and contribution. So for the concept three, I applied to this friend is communication. Poor communication one poor communication is one Poor communication it was one of the biggest challenges in our teams. We use such as WhatsApp communication, but messages were often unclear and or sent in the last minute, which caused confusion. Some members assume others understood what they mean, but in reality, the instructions were both. This led duplicate work, incomplete tasks, and tension among teams member. Effective communication involves clarify, listening, and providing feedbacks. If we had used structured communication, such as regular meetings, summarizing decision, and confirming responsibilities, we could have avoid many of the misunderstanding. So for the reflection, reflecting on this experience, I learned several things about myself. First, I realized that I tend to avoid conflict, which means sometimes stay quiet even when I disagree. This can lead to the problem later on because issue remain unresolved. Second, I discovered that I value structure and planning, and I feel stressed when the things are disorganized. I organize. Understanding this helped me recognize what I felt frustrated during the project. Finally, I learned that I can improve by being more assertive and communicating more clearly so that my idea and concern are heard. So next is a strategies for improvement. So based on what I learned, I developed several strategies to improve future teamworks, which is the first one is improve communication clarity. I will make sure to express my ideas clearly and confirm team decision to avoid misunderstanding. The second one is apply motivation techniques. I will help create a sense to send off first by reminding team to our share goals and encouraging equal participation. And the third one is adapt to different personality types. I will be more aware to other behavior and try to create supportive environments where everyone feels comfortable and contributing. This strategy will not only help me, but not will help me in the project, but also in the future workplace setting. So for the last one is, so the conclusion for this, in this conclusion, this organizational behavior journey helped me understand how personality, motivation, and communication play important roles in teamwork. By analyzing the experience using OB concept, OB theories, sorry, I gain the first insight into my own strength and weakness. This reflection taught me that effective teamworks require understanding people, maintaining motivation, and communicating clearly. I believe that this lesson will help me become a better team members and more effective leader in the future. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening. So thank you very much.